it's time to start setting up the room. There are a couple things that I need to do for preparation. For example, I have loads of laundry that I'm gonna go ahead and put in right now, and then I'm gonna start moving things. Okay, let's start with the setup. Yes, I am wearing my scrubs. I got back from class, but I'm gonna start by putting a load of laundry so I can start moving things from off the floor. I didn't start setting up my room prior to leaving because I had so many exams last minute. There was no time, but now I have time. Okay, I have time now, so we're gonna get this show on the road. End goal today is probably at least have my bed set up so I don't have to sleep on the couch anymore. Before I start, I'm gonna give you a quick 360 of my room, my closet, my bathroom, so you can see the mess and disaster that it is, and then you can appreciate the progress a little bit more, okay? There's just too many things going on. It's getting me overwhelmed, so I'm gonna start one space at a time because I have a problem where I'm like, okay, let me go over here. And then I'm like, oh, let me go over there. And then guess what? At the end of the day, it looks like I did nothing. So I'm gonna start with laundry, step 1. Step 2, clearing this area, and then we'll figure out what step 3 is. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I have never been more excited to do my laundry. Let me tell you why. In my dorm room, in order to go and do my laundry, I needed to go down 7 flights of stairs. No vibes. In here, I open my little door, I walk around, open my laundry room door, pop it in, and laundry's done. No 7 flights, no boom, 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 break my back, no convert. The load of laundry is in the washer. Next goal, getting these suitcases out of here. I've made some progress, and by progress I mean some things got shoved in other places for the time being. It's more clear, okay, more clear. The closet is a whole project, so things just got shoved in there, but I do need to unpack my toiletry stuff from my bathroom from the trip that I had. Like, this all needs to be unpacked, and these are all like my travel bags. This is gonna be my little makeshift tripod. I need a table tripod for my DSLR. However, let's get this all unpacked. I'm gonna put my jewelry in here. And also, I wanted to thank you guys for everyone who sent in a testimonial for the Sephora Squad application. We didn't make it this year, and that's totally fine. That's totally fine. I applied because I was like, you know what? There's nothing to lose. There's nothing to lose. Let's try. We didn't get it. It's okay. We'll try again next year. A lot of you guys sent me like a screenshot because all the testimonials that you write, we can't see it. Like, it just says the number of people that sent it in, but we can't see what is written about it. A lot of you guys sent me screenshots of what you wrote, and I was like, you think that about? Geeked. But honestly, for real, thank you. We'll just try again next year. And I was really excited because as I was looking through who got in, some of my mutuals got in, and I said, period, get it. I'm geeked for them. My curl cream exploded, so we're gonna do a wee bit of damage control. I think my goal for today, I'm gonna put in, of course, another load of laundry in. The load that I put in is almost done. And then after that, I'm going to try to move everything in like my main room area, maybe to like the hallway or something. And I'm going to clean the carpet. I bought the like carpet spray cleaner foam thingy at Walmart last time, so we're hoping that it works and that it does something that isn't just like, you know, just like lift it up and not do anything. So those are my overall goals, and we'll see how much of that we actually achieve, because it's a lot of work. I got home yesterday and I got a PR package, and I was like, okay, period. First of all, let's get into this tote. I am stocked lotion wise. Oh, that's so embarrassing. Literally, let's fix that. Not me talking about lotion with my ashy elbows. That was illegal. Who let me out the house like that? Me. I have lotion for days. When I was like moving everything around, I was like, oh, okay. I was like put the box away, and this dropped out. I said, I almost threw this away. Note to self, check the entire package. Thank you, Nivea. Ooh, if you guys didn't know, I'm part of the Nivea squad, so she's cool or whatever. The bathroom area has been controlled just a tad. The closet, this seems crazy, but it's just all my pillows on top of my mattress because, look at it. Look at it. There's room for activities. Now I can start vacuuming. Oh my days, I thought I would never see the floor. The game plan, I'm gonna vacuum first, and then I bought this Resolve Ultra carpet cleaner, the animal version. I was like, if it stops animal odor, I feel like it'd be like the strongest. Hopefully this, what's it called? The vacuum is strong enough. I'm kind of scared to do this part. Should I break it? How do, oh, it's a phone. Oh, shoot. Shake well. Hold can upside down about 2 feet above. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake, shake. Hold can upside down. Oh, snap. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do one corner, see how it goes. Let me show you the floor. Do you see how this area has foam on it? I thought this was gonna be like, you spray it and then you like vacuum it and then you're done. No, you gotta put that power in. And for people to be like, that's such a small, it literally says use a sponge. What does it say? Use a cloth? Neither. A damp color fast mop. What is a color fast mop? I now know what a color fast mop is. I don't have one. Since I don't have one, this is gonna take a little bit longer. It's okay, I already did one big square. Let me just continue this. I did a whole strip. If you're like, Natasha, that's gonna take forever, it's faster than you think it is. And now I know it's really clean because I put, you see that elbow? You see the grease? Mm-hmm, yeah, girl. Let's do the second strip. Look how fantastic the carpet looks. Mm-hmm. That was, carpet is nice and clean. It was faster than you think. You're like, no, don't you worry. Okay, now I'm gonna build the bed. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Box 1, box 2. The instructions to success. Now I'm gonna compare the pieces to this. 14, 52. 2 these, okay. 4 of these. My dad kept warning me about how difficult this was, and I'm like, Dad, I can do it. Or he's like, are you sure? You don't want help? You need to hire some. Dad, I can do it. My little tool station. I mean, how hard can it be if there's instructions? This is like adult Lego. Timestamp 7:31. I think I can be done in an hour. I'm not gonna say this is easy breezy, beautiful, clever girl, but I don't think it's gonna be rocket science. Not me confused at step 1. What the hell does that mean? Huh? What? Back in business. I got the correct pieces. Okay, here you roll it. The big one with the 2 holes. And then you one of these and this. One of these? Oh, this way. Okay, first 2 pages done. I'm a pro. Okay, now. Okay, I finished the first piece. No, because, Your Honor, I slayed. Yeah. Almost done. 30 minutes ahead of schedule. Okay, I do have a couple more pages. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves, but I'm like, this ain't rocket science. It took me a second, but it ain't rocket science. Okay. Down to the last step. It's time to open the mattress. The bed is built, the mattress is deflating, and I'm tapping out for the night because I am tired. Another day, some more setting up. So yesterday you saw me build my bed. I put my comforter on and then like the pillows and stuff, did some laundry yesterday. But now for today, we're going to build my nightstand. I'm posting little snippets of this experience on TikTok, right? Like little versions of these videos. The YouTube family gets the longer videos with some exclusive sneak peeks sometimes, or just like clips you don't see on the TikTok. And it's so funny because I was reading the TikTok comments and people were like, how did you build that bed yesterday, in regards to yesterday, so easily? Like, I was fighting my partner, or like I did not have a smooth time building it. And I'm like, I don't know. Even my dad was like, Natasha, please get some help. Like I was trying to tell you yesterday. He's like, it's not easy. Like you're gonna it's gonna be hard to get some like professional or someone to help you so you can do it. And I'm like, I got this. This is just like adult Lego. I don't know what the rocket science was about. And I sent him a photo after I was done and he's like, what? You're done? And I was like, yeah, and in 55 minutes, my guy. I think it's not that hard. Like the instructions are in front of you and you got this. Okay, let's put this on the side. There are 4 steps. So I'm like, girl, how hard can this be? Or can let's see. Cross-referencing what the little items to what is on the paper. Okay, out of the way. my bad. This, right? Like so, like that. You take the larger screw and put it in here. We did intentionally skip one step because there's no, like they told me to put a small screw at the bottom. There's too big of a gap for that screw to fit in there. So I don't know what they were trying to do with that one. It's a serving tray, but they also advertise it as a side table. I like the color of the base of this. It kind of matches with like the beige tones in here. Put the thing in the thing. Couple things. One, my camera's dying and I can't find my backup battery. Two, you need a screwdriver for this. I don't own a screwdriver. And three, sometimes I feel, well now, as of recently, since I've been back in my YouTube era, if you guys didn't know, there's a lot of videos on here that are muted, but I started this channel when I was 13. So this channel has been running since 2013. But now that my TikTok keeps growing, which I love because like the more people the merrier, all about that vibe. But now since there's not a lot of people here on my YouTube, I feel like this is like my top secret family and I can tell you guys secrets that the TikTok fam won't know. That's why I gotta subscribe. Let me think of a secret to tell you so you feel like you're in the club. 1 second. My camera died right now, so I'm using my phone. So if the quality went down a little bit, I'm so sorry, but I got a butter knife to screw this in because I don't have a screwdriver. Now let me think of a secret to tell you so you guys are part of the club. I feel like I need some sort of juicy, we need like a code word. Like a code word that you can comment on TikTok, but only the YouTube folks family would know. Code word is amiguis. Amiga means friend in Spanish. Amiguis are like the valley girls in Venezuela. We call them cifrinas, but they're valley girls. So they talk like, you know, like that. And then instead of saying like amiga, I say amiguis. So you guys are my amiguis. You know, a lot of people use that, like you'll probably see that word other places on TikTok. People who are from Venezuela, I don't know if there's other Latin countries that use that word as well. However, that will be our code word. So if you're gonna comment something on the TikTok videos and you put amiguis, I know you're part of the secret service group here. We got the bedside table. So the question is the plant. We'll find oh, let's not touch it too hard. She's sensitive. We'll find a screwdriver someday and then we'll strengthen these little screws down here. So my camera died, right? I was like, okay, let me charge it so I can use it again to record. I lost my charger. I have no idea where my charger is. I looked everywhere it could be. No idea. So I ordered a new charger and it's coming in tomorrow. And let me show you the progress I've made so far. So the bathroom, she's still the same girl. I tried putting this up right now, but I realized I don't have rubbing alcohol and it says to use that. So there's a science to it. And I don't want to put it up there with all my products and then everything falls on the floor. That would be bad. So I'm gonna leave that on the side. Closet is a huge project. I feel like I need the closet to be great because what's my TikTok handle? Natasha's closet. It's me. This is real. Like I plan my room decor and all that, but the closet I haven't sat down to plan that, so that's gonna be another project. First step, I need to finish the room, and then we'll go into the closet. But we also pronto need to plan my office because school started again and now I need somewhere to do my homework, given that half my classes are online. This is what my room is looking like at the moment. Pretty empty. We're gonna fill up this space, the wall, with some art. I think that's all for today until I figure out the missing pieces, the additional pieces I need to get. For the rest of the things I need to get for my room, I still need to purchase it. And because I don't have a car here, you know, my school is nearby, I don't need a car, I don't need all that expensive. You know, this is already expensive enough living here, girl. So I don't know when I'll have time to get those additional items, but the next few days I do need to like catch up on my schoolwork because girl, school started again. 2 of my classes are in person, 3 of them are online, and I haven't touched any of my online content. So tomorrow it's gonna be a library day, girl. I need to be at the library all day and get that done because I haven't touched anything that's school related. I have some assignments due on Friday. Still a nursing student. So I'm trying to find the balance of that while also trying to finish my room because I just want this to be done. Like it's cute and all if I had all the items and if I had a car and I could jump and hop and skip and jump, you know, over to the stores here and back, but I don't have a car. So the process is taking a little bit longer. And also some of these pieces are expensive and I'm like, oh my goodness, my bank account is like, crying. I'm really excited to be living here. Today I woke up because it was my first night sleeping in my bed. And I said, wow. It's like I live here, but every day I realize I live here. You know, like big girl apartment, big girl move. She's doing the big girl thing. Okay, here's a couple things about Natasha. I have like 10,000 thoughts per day, per second. And at any given time that I'm saying a thought and speaking about something, there's another thought in the back burner kind of being like, up next. Back to the idea and then back to the side note idea. Very grateful to be here, very excited to be here. It feels unreal and I feel like I'm still trying to make it feel like home. It feels weird to live here, you know, like it doesn't feel like home yet. And I feel like maybe as I fill my room up a little bit more and I get the pieces and like spend more time here, I'll be like, oh, this is my brand new apartment. It's a really good moment in life right now. It's sunny outside, it's getting warm. I just moved into my new apartment. And just in case you didn't know, guess what? Just in case you didn't know, I moved into my new apartment. I did. Like a walk-in closet? Girl, I have been dreaming to have a walk-in closet for years. I have always had like a one rack closet. Regular house, like my parents' house, in my college days. And in my college days, I shared one rack. Imagine me, Natasha, with all that clothes that you saw. Half a rack. When I lived in Hawaii, half a rack. I don't know how I did it. That closet was like this. Like my half was like this. And then my roommate sometimes can even fill her whole closet. I was like, girl, you gotta use that row. Like, can I put some stuff up there? Besides the point, really excited about my bed, my room, high rise, you know. Honestly, you gotta manifest things. You gotta put things out there. Remember how I made, this is another side note, and then we'll get to that other point that I never said. Remember how I made that little mood board at the beginning of the year? I don't know if you follow me on TikTok. You should. You should. I made a mood board and I did this last year as well, and I just put things that I wanted to achieve and accomplish and manifest for the year, and one of those things was living in a high-rise apartment. Now, I didn't know how to do it because I was living in a college dorm at the time that I put this up there, and I was like, I had never dreamt and thought about living in an apartment at this point in time, especially during school. I just thought that after my lease was up in college, I was gonna go to like an off-campus house. I put a bunch of pictures and screenshots of like a high-rise apartment, and also like I have like a 2023 year manifestation pin board thing on my Pinterest where I put things like this, and I never would have thought that this would be the year that I get it. I mean, like, oh yeah, that would be cool, but now that I'm here, I am here in something that I pinned on Pinterest. That's crazy. That's crazy, girl. And then last thought, the other side note, I was thinking, life is so good right now. I feel like the sprinkle on top would be a nice, loving, nurturing, romantic. Not my phone dying. My camera died. My phone died. It's saying shut up and wrap the video up. Anyways, what I was saying, that I would love a cute little nice healthy relationship that's like people are emotionally intelligent, both myself and my partner, you know, all the good things. That'd be a nice sprinkle to my 2023. You say it out loud, it might come true. Thank you guys for watching this video. For people requesting for the long videos, here you go. For those people requesting for the extra long videos, here you go. This one's gonna be a long one. I already feel it in my bones. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, let me know. And maybe I'll see you next week with some more moving content, or maybe we'll do a get ready with me. Maybe we'll change it up for a week and then we'll go back to the moving content while I get the last few pieces for my room. Subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at natasha.mathurent, on my TikTok at Natasha's Closet, and on my Pinterest at natasha.mathurent, and I'll see you next week. Bye.